Hello friends, welcome to Era Nova, and today I discuss about sociological concern of industrialization. First of all, I discuss about impact of industrialization of Indian society. Indian society was culturally, economically very prosperous, and after the British rule, India came into the industrial map. Basically, what is industrialization? I define industrialization as the use of a biotic factor in the production process. It's a simple definition of industrialization. And now we move to what was the impact of industrialization on Indian society. Industrialization began because of British rule, East India Company. Now there is some advantages of industrialization on Indian society. So first of all, I will discuss about industry-oriented economy. India, which was self-sufficient and it was not competitive enough. But after industrialization, it became competitive. Emergence of industry-oriented economy was led by industrialization. And second, I will discuss about decline of Baluta system. In India, we had Baluta system where there was hierarchy of occupation, means if a father is carpenter, his son will be carpenter. And in a village there were 12 balutedar, means one balutedar are used to do carpentry work, second used to do work related to the mechanical, or third used to do the work of cleaning everyone's houses. And there is also the impact of industrialization of urbanization and globalization. Now what is urbanization? I will tell in short. Urbanization means the rural people shifting to urban areas for their livelihood. Urbanization began because of industrialization, because industry generated employment, and the economical condition of villages was not so good, so they shifted to cities. It changes the social institution. Previously, the social institutions were like caste and child marriage, but after industrialization it was stopped because this led to modernization, means people start to begin the ideas of what is good for human welfare and what is not good for human welfare. This led to so much of development and emergence of class system. Now previously classes was Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, but now the classes were rich and poor, and also industrialist, capitalist and workers. So this class system emerged due to industrialization. On the other hand, there is some disadvantages of industrialization. Now as today we are see a major portion of workers and laborers which was totally dependent on industrialization was unemployed. They have no enough money, food and shelter because they emerge from one state to other because of industries exist there. And this is one of the biggest problem which is faced by government and workers due to close of industry. After discuss the advantages and disadvantages of industrialization, at last we found some conclusion like taken attention by the government that industries are not only exist in urban areas but also in those areas where a large number of workers exist, like Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Thank you. I hope you enjoy this video. For latest information, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. God bless you.